Minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my lovely students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Recite dua of knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Today you will enjoy an activity and you will learn the formation of sound A. Formation of sound A is: make a curvy ka, go up and come down. Make a curvy ka, go up and come down. First we will cut small pieces of red paper, and you can also choose green and yellow. It's up to you. So let's start. Apply glue on the small paper and paste on the letter A. Apply glue. Hold it and paste it. And then paste the green color leaf or paper. Apply glue. Wow, it looks great. I hope you had fun with while learning. A is for apple. MashaAllah. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Jazakallah.